Basic weather vocabulary with examples. Sunny. Sunny means bright and sunlight. It's a sunny day. Let's go for a walk. So friends, watch the video till end and repeat after me. Rainy. Rainy means with a lot of rain. I forgot my umbrella on this rainy day. Cloudy. Cloudy means covered with clouds, no sunshine. The sky is cloudy today. It might rain later. Snowy. Snowy means with falling snow. It's a snowy morning. The ground is white. Windy. Windy means with a lot of wind blowing. It's too windy to go outside today. Stormy. Stormy means with strong winds, rain, thunder or lightning. The weather is stormy. Stay indoor. वीडियो को एंड तक लाजमी देखना है, आगे वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है। Foggy. Foggy means with thick mist that makes it hard to see. The road was foggy, so we drove slowly. Cold. Cold means having a low temperature. It's cold today. Wear a jacket. Warm. Warm means comfortably hot, not too cold. The weather is warm and pleasant today. Rainbow. Rainbow means a colorful arch that appears after rain. Look, there is a beautiful rainbow in the sky. Breeze. Breeze means a gentle wind. A cool breeze is blowing from the sea. Thunder. Thunder means the loud sound after lightning. The thunder scared my little brother. Tornado, a violent spinning wind storm. The tornado destroyed several houses. Hurricane, a strong tropical storm with heavy rain and wind. The hurricane caused flooding in the city. Drizzle. Drizzle means light rain. It's just drizzling. You don't need an umbrella. Clear sky means no clouds in the sky. The sky is clear tonight. You can see the stars. Freezing. Freezing means extremely cold, below 0 degree. It's freezing outside. Wear gloves. Climate. Climate means the usual weather in a region. Pakistan has a warm climate.